Your Life in Sex Island, Chapter 5, picking up the tab, page 160. We are continuing our examination of our tax system to determine who pays how much taxes. We have determined that only three things can be taxed: wealth, income, and purchases. And only humans pay taxes. All business expenses, including taxes, are and must be passed on to their customers. Professional liars tell us over and over that the rich pay most of the taxes. That's what they must say. They get very well paid to go around saying that. They find all kinds of clever ways to say that only the rich pay taxes. Then, oops, along comes Leona Helmsley, that super rich bitch, and tells the truth. Taxes are for the little people. The people that the thieving bankers call losers. The rich, says Leona Helmsley, don't pay no goddamn taxes. Taxes are for the little people. We have discussed business taxes and excise taxes, both of which are disguised sales taxes, since the final retail customer is the only one who can and does pay them. Finally, we come to the sales tax itself. The sales tax is monstrously regressive. Thus, it is dearly beloved of the aristocratic class terrorists, such as the Wall Street Journal and Forbes magazine, and like professional liars and the professional liar guppies in the think tanks. This tax is akin to the VAT, the value added, discussed next. Why, might one ask? If one buys stock, a cow or a steer, one pays sales tax. However, if one buys stock, a piece of a company, one pays no sales tax. A puzzlement. Cow buyers must have forgotten to buy law grinders. As developed earlier in this chapter, the sales tax paid by someone making $10,000 could be higher than 2.5% of total income. The sales tax on $100,000, perhaps 1.9%. On $1 million, maybe 0.2%. On earnings above that, the percentage of sales tax paid is inconsiderable. Is that regressive enough for you? The reality is probably worse. If we had any religions in the United States which were followers of Christ, there would be no sales tax in the United States. It is just too ugly to be countenanced. This would be the dragon that St. George would slay. But unfortunately, we just have religious businesses. We have a religious industry. We have religions which call themselves Christians, but we have no religions which follow Christ by example. We love the money changers, as long as they tithe in the collection box. The sales tax is disgusting and should be repealed. Later, we'll mention how we pay for our government if we repeal these taxes on the poor. Stay tuned. I shall return. Purchase the book now by clicking on the link in the description below.